how to check in on Southwest Airlines app step by step. So before anything, of course, you're gonna make sure you do have the ticket information or the flight information, since that's the most important part. But once you do and have it already, you can go ahead and open up your Southwest Airlines app. You can download it if you don't have it yet, or you can also do that in the web. But in the app, you could either create your account and log in, but you can still check in as a guest. So in our case, let's just go ahead and do that. Press on continue as a guest. So to check in, just go ahead to the My Trip section where you can pretty much put in your travel or your specific flight, your booked flight. You can see the travel tools over here, which does include the check-in. So just go ahead and tap on that one. You'll be able to see the confirmation number, your first name, and your last name. So trips are eligible for check-in only 24 hours before a flight. So just go ahead and press on retrieve reservation, and you should be able to do the next process on basically just checking in. It should be very fast and simple. But that's pretty much how you can check in on the Southwest Airlines app. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.